Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open the Facebook app or website and sign into your account now. Tap your profile photo in the top right corner to open the menu. Tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings to continue. Scroll to the Personal Information section to see name, birthday, email, phone, and other details. Each field shows an edit button you can use to change information instantly. Keep your login accessible and confirm your device when prompted to proceed safely. Tap Edit next to name to change your display name on Facebook. Enter your full name using letters and avoid unusual symbols or titles. Facebook requires real names and may reject pseudonyms or profanity. After you save a name change, you must wait 60 days before changing it again. If you need to correct a spelling error, make a clear, minimal adjustment and save. Use capitalization and spacing carefully to meet Facebook name guidelines and avoid repeated submissions. Edit email and phone fields to keep account recovery options current and secure. Tap each contact entry and enter the new address or number, then confirm with the code Facebook sends. Review the visibility for each personal field and set audiences like friends or only me. Turn on two-factor authentication to strengthen account security after changing key details. If Facebook asks for identity verification, upload a clear photo ID to confirm your information and finish the update process promptly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.